So unlike the last time we did the 59, got plenty of this stuff, opening a brand new bottle. Best stuff in the world for oiling down cylinders that have sat for a while. So you don't break a ring or do anything like that. It's best just to give it a little bit of lubrication. So driver's side, super easy to get to. Passenger side, not so much. Got your generator, air conditioning, compressor, things like that. So yeah, not too much fun over here, but we'll make it happen. All right, so he's got all the plugs out of the 60 and the cylinders are oiled down, so we're done with this one for the day. And now to pull the radiator on the 59. That'll be in a separate video. Hopefully you guys will tune in again.